Check it out, gentlemen. Just flipped my first house. Of course, this is the house that we were married in. But just showing you where we at. We didn't clean up everything yet, but here it is. Here it is. I know I sent you the video of what it looked like before, but you can see it's much brighter around here. There's a new oven, grill, dishwasher, cabinets, etc., etc. Brighten it up in here, put some gray tones in here to make it brighter. More modern lights in the dining room. Then this room pretty much remained the same. Back here in the bedroom area, brighten up the hallway. LVT, got a little junk in here, but you can see what's going on. Back in here, bathroom, we tightened that up a little bit. And the master. New light fixtures throughout. Fix this bathroom up a little bit, new tile. Just showing you my work, gentlemen. I was the project manager on this little something I picked up on my last job. Anyway, all right.